a decoration committee. I'm going to say in 2 words, elegant affairs. I did not waste your time by saying anything. Yeah, everybody knows you, but they say it's stand up. They've been doing outstanding work for what, last 20 years, and everybody knows you. Your work is above and beyond expectation at every function, and we hope you deliver the same for Konkani Summit. All right, registration web. Sandesh Bhatt, who is not here, he is a manager in one section of IBM. He's a very smart guy at a high level at IBM. He has a lot of knowledge of web and all, along with, of course, Vivek Shenoy. So between the two, Sandesh Bhatt, who couldn't be here because he lives in Boston, and of course Vivek Shenoy, between them, they are working very hard to get our website up and running. Publicity is Santosh Kamath. Where are you? Where Santosh? I heard about Santosh being a great worker beforehand, but yesterday he tells me he's from IIT. So that's like you immediately doubled my expectations. And I also, great respect for you being an IIT alumni. And there are a lot of IIT guys here at this volunteers meeting. So publicity committee, remember publicity brings in money. So you are the source for our money. Right? So your job is as important as souvenir committee or a fundraising committee or anybody else. So publicity goes hand in hand. I have a lot of material for you. I'll give to you later.
Thank you.
Okay?
Yeah.
Well,
Thank you.
medical, of course. Ganesh Bhatt, again he has to stand up. I don't know how many times you have to stand up. I deliberately didn't tell you that Ganesh Bhatt is a dean of a medical school in Caribbean island. So, yeah, you didn't know this?
No.
Oh my God. Okay, we all knew that. He's also on governor's committee for advisory committee. I don't know the exact, description of the committee, but governor has appointed him on a committee. So that's a great honor. So with this qualification, he's the right person to arrange for medical seminars. Every Sammelan has medical seminar trying to educate Konkanis about certain things, and he knows what to do. I don't have to tell him anything. His qualifications are better than mine. So, Ganesh Bhatt, thank you. Audio visuals. Who is doing the camera job? There was one automatic choice that was Vinny.
Oh, thank you.
When he said, hey, where to do audio visual? Vinny Naik. Okay. And of course, the whole family. What is it? Look, he's working. He makes my wife work. Make the steam.
As he said, she is my better half.
Good. I'm glad you agree that. All right. So audio visual committee is his. Transportation and accommodation. What do you want after a heavy Konkani meal? You want a nice bed to rest and sleep. That's where. Prem, where are you? I offered this job to Prem knowing his credentials and how good a person he is and his recommendations from others and all that. As soon as I told him, he said, no, I'm not going to work unless you get my wife as a co-chair. and believe it or not, she was right behind him and telling him which I overheard. All right, but thank you very much for taking this very important job to find correct good accommodation for the convention and all that. Also, as as I said, hotel is not attached, so we need a bus service to go back and forth. So that's your job to have proper bus service and all. And we have done some legwork already, but you have to continue and carry on.
Even though I'm a CPA and have no clue about accommodation and hospitality, I hopefully will get some members to help me out.
All the youth committee, Mahant Joshi. Where is Mahant? He promised me he's coming.
That's the youth.
Right? Yeah, youth. I know. He probably wait for a late night party and I bet he's sleeping. Anyway, he is highly recommended by people. He was very willing. Actually, he approached me before I tried to find a youth chair, and he said, "I have great ideas. I'm going to do it." And my daughter knows him very well, and she highly recommended him. This guy is a go-getter. You can depend on him, and he will deliver. So with that, I talked to him, and so Mahant Joshi is a youth committee chair. Of course, we're going to give him a few people to work with. Some of them are right here. Maybe Shilpa, maybe my daughter, and everybody will help them out. And so we will get some young people involved, and they will help them out. Now, the only committee I don't have anybody so far is hospitality committee. I shouldn't say anybody. I already have half the committee chair, and the other half is staying. Sitting here. Shaila Naik has agreed to be half the committee chair, but she wants somebody with her to be a co-chair. And I can understand why. Any chair should be a combination of experience and wisdom, and also freshness and enthusiasm. So we're looking for fresh, enthusiastic, bright, especially female, I would say, to co-chair. Because hospitality is their forte. So a female co-chair will be perfect to do this. So, afterwards during lunch period, if anybody wants to approach me, and we'll talk about it, and we'll decide. Okay? So